Hello, this is a video just to help you kind of get started and understand how to work this course. In this health course, if I can come down to my module 1 and click on it, that'll open everything in your first module. And just move to the first item and just give it a click. The lesson comes up. Okay, there's a couple different ways to change your page. You can either hit the caret here or down at the bottom when you're done reading your information, you can just hit next. It's going to go through all the information you need to understand. Take your own time. Showing you some of the terms. There's some questions, and then there's thought answers. If you just click on that, it gives you the answer. So think about your question before you just look at the answer. Okay, more terms and describes what it is. Another question, if I click on this answer, again, it's going to give me a short descriptive answer. This bar right here is helpful. You can do different items. You can click on different things to help you. It can help read it for you. You can mark things. If you want to move it, you just use these arrows. If you want to make it smaller, you just hit that little caret, and you can still slide it. If you don't like it, you can shrink it or expand it or move it to where it's a little more helpful for you. Oops. Apparently I double clicked that. Okay, I'm going to move on to 7. You can see page 7 out of 9. And when I get to this page here, it says click the activity button below to access the worksheet. Well, here's the worksheet. So after my lesson now, this is the assignment. You just click on that and it'll pull up the worksheet. Now, in order to work on this worksheet, you should go up to this right corner and click on this down arrow. That will download it to your computer. So if I click on this, it's going to give me an option. Where do I want to download it? Okay, do I want to put downloads? Do I have a health folder created? Okay, I can open this up and I can select something different. Maybe I want my documents. Hopefully you have a health folder created and you can save it in there, and you just save it. And then I would go to my computer and I would find, I happen to put up my downloads. So this is let's see, it's here. Here we go. It was 13, this one. So if I click on it, there it is, opens up. Here you go. Now I can put my name on the sheet, because now it's a copy for me. I can put all my work in here. If I complete it right away, I save it. If I don't complete it right away, just save it and close it till the next time you come back and finish it. And once you do finish it, you just save it. And then once you're ready, I gotta close out, you're going to come down to the bottom of this sheet. And let me just move this. Okay. And I'm going to click on this icon here. And that opens up the box for submitting. Okay, now for you, you'll have a big plus sign right here. I don't, but you will. You would just click on that and you would be able to enter your link or your attachment, and then you would hit submit. Okay, that would be how you work this program and save and complete and then submit your assignments. Okay, and if I want, I can just move on. Okay, and I can move on to the next lesson. And I do the same thing. And I just keep going. Okay, if you have any questions, please send me an email so I can help you out. Be happy to do that.